Hello, and welcome to your Codelessly editor. In this tutorial series, we will get you familiarized with the editor's interface. In this video, we'll cover the app bar at the top, moving from left to right. Let's get started. You can exit the editor at any time by tapping on the Codelessly logo. Adjacent to it are two tabs, the Design tab and the Develop tab. The Design tab is where you will be doing most of your work to create your ideas and is selected by default. The Develop tab is where you can select elements you've created and define actions and variables to make your screens reactive to data and input. Next to those two tabs is an overflow menu that holds advanced panels for controlling layout groups, the font manager, and the shortcuts menu. In the center of the app bar, we can see a share button that enables you to mark your projects as public, allowing you to share it to anyone with a Codelessly account. The log icon next to the share button lets you toggle read-only or view-only mode, which disables you from making any changes to anything. In the center, your project's title can be modified by tapping on it, and next to that is a green circle that indicates that the editor is able to access the internet to save any changes you make, and that the page is functioning properly. On the right of the app bar, this eye icon allows you to preview any canvases you've created using Codelessly Cloud UI's preview mode, while the Publish button adjacent to it enables you to publish your layouts publicly to production and optionally to site.codelessly.com for quick access. The drop-down icon attached to the Publish button is for advanced publish controls and settings. We'll cover publishing in depth in another tutorial. On the very right side of your app bar, you can see which account you're currently using as well as your current active license. In the next tutorial, we'll go to the editor tools on the left side.